Aloe speciosa. It is commonly called tilt-head aloe. It has stout, tight foot-long cone-like inflorescences. The flower buds are red and open a greenish-white with dark reddish-brown to orange protruding stamens, giving a definite tricolor look to the inflorescence. The flowers produce nectar and are attractive to birds and bees. Aloe speciosa has slender, long, bluish-green leaves. The leaves are of tinged pink at the tips and margins with tiny soft teeth, and they grow up to 3 feet long. Aloe speciosa is a generally single-stemmed tall succulent, grow up to 10 feet. The older leaves form a dry skirt lying downwards along the stem. Aloe speciosa is native to South Africa. It is a species of flowering plant in the Asphodelaceae family.